Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Mid-Level 2 Reading Scores. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 Reading Scores, and the project description is: as an elementary school principal, you are concerned about students' reading comprehension. After conducting a study, you want to calculate some general statistics and then conduct a one-way analysis of variance. Doing so will enable you to compare three sample group means and evaluate the variances within each group compared to the variances among the three groups. Here is a project description. You can also read it for better understanding of this assignment project. Here is a Excel workbook I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 HW Reading Scores. Creator has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Here is the file that I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: in the range F2 to H4, insert a function that will calculate the average for each of the groups. Control CBT only hybrid. In this cell, you will have to write a function average. Control, select this range. Question number 2 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is: in the range F3 to H3, insert a function that will calculate the median for each of the group. First, you will have to select this range F3 to H3, then calculate the median. Median function. You will have to drag this formula to in the rows. Question number 3 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is in the range F4 to H4 insert a function that will calculate the most repetitive values for each of the groups. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. In this cell, mod function and pass this range, and then press enter. Question number 4 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 5. And the question number 5 is in the range F5 to H5 insert a function that will calculate the highest value for each of the group. In this question you will have to calculate the highest value at that the given range is F5 to H5. F5 to H5. These are the highest values are calculated now. Move to the instruction file. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is in the range F6 to H6 insert a function that will calculate the lowest value for each of the groups. We have write a formula in range F6 to H6 to calculate the lowest value for each of the group. In this cell we will have to use our function minimum min and then pass a range, this one, close this bracket and then press enter. You can see that the minimum values are calculated now. Simply you will have to drag this formula to as a range or as a range of rows. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is in the range F7 to H7 insert a function that will calculate the variance of each of the groups. Use the function includes the .s descriptor variance equals to variance var.s function. When pass this range, then press enter. As you can see that the variance are calculated now. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is in the range F8 to H8 insert a function that will calculate the standard deviation for each of the groups. Use the function that includes the S descriptor. In the standard deviation cell, we'll have to write a function std and simply drag this formula to as a row. All the standard deviations are calculated now. We have now completed 8 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.